Have you ever seen a Masseter Botox gone wrong? Well, recently I had a 19-year-old kid who came in complaining of teeth grinding, and his dentist recommended him to wear a mouth guard. We discussed Botox for Masseter treatment. We gave him about 25 units on each side, and he saw some improvement. He came back for follow-up, and there was a bulge coming out. I was like, oh my God, I've never seen that. Well, I ended up giving him 10 units extra on each side for his anterior belly of the Masseter, and lo and behold, it fixed the problem. But he was so happy in the end. But beware of anterior belly of Masseter. Sometimes it could be strong enough and we can miss it.